If you're looking to learn how to grill a burger on a propane grill, you've come to the right spot. Welcome to Backyard Feast. Today, as I just mentioned, I'll be showing you guys how to make a burger on a grill. Let's get on into it and I'll show you guys how. So as you guys can see here, I've got my patties made. I just pressed them into circles. I've got a little burger meat press that you guys can use to get these really good circles. The sauce I'll be using is a mayonnaise, ketchup, and pickled jalapeno blend. I also threw in a little bit of garlic powder and salt just for extra flavor. So when you guys do the burgers, I've always done it. I don't know if it's the right way, the wrong way, or whatnot. I'll leave that up to you. Everyone always says to push a little divot right into your meat. I've always found that helps me out some from getting the burgers to pop up super tall on you. Once you've got the grill nice and hot, we're going to lay down some of these patties. I like to keep my grill down kind of low. I don't want it to get too hot or shoot flames everywhere. I'm sure if you guys have ever worked a grill, you know that's one of the scariest things that can happen. It's when those flames shoot up in your face. We don't want that happening today. For my toppings today, I'm going to be using some onion. Always goes good on the burgers. We're going to grill them up too. So you'll see those go on the grill once we flip those burgers. We've also got some lettuce. I just got this from my father a little bit ago. It's right out of the garden, right next door to my house. I can't wait to try it on this burger. We've also got Colby Jack cheese. Nothing too special. That's just my preferred cheese on a burger. For the seasonings, I'm using garlic powder and this Tennessee smoke blend I got over at Bass Pro Shops. If you guys have been watching me for a little while, you'll know I love this stuff. I forgot to do this when I threw these burgers down, but you want to throw some seasoning on before you cook them. Now when I'm doing burgers, I don't like to flip these too often. I've heard some bad things about doing that. Burgers want to be a pain on me. You see, that one kind of messed up and fell between the grates. Accidents happen. This burger up here is going to be a little filler. I'm not even going to worry about that one now. And a little tip I've learned, if you guys are outside grilling and you got a ton of grease like this popping up and shooting everywhere, and you don't have a fire extinguisher on hand, baking soda will help eliminate a grease fire. I've never had that happen yet, and I hope it never happens to any of us. But I always keep some ready in the kitchen, so if this does shoot up, I can run inside and get it really fast. Alright, for these burgers, I'm going to do a couple of grilled onions. I'm going to pray that these don't fall through on me. So I've had that happen before, as you guys just saw. One of the burgers fell through the grates. Alright, let's see if these guys are ready to flip. These burgers like to fall down into the grates of this grill a lot, I've noticed. So I'm taking as much precaution as I can using tongs. Oh yeah, these guys are looking good. Let's also flip these onions while we're at it. Just like that. I already lost one. You gotta be super careful. Alright, I'm sorry to say, we've lost 3 of those onion slices. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea after all. I'm gonna get rid of those before the last 2 fall through. I do have some more sliced on the inside, so I guess I'll just have to settle for some raw onion. I'm gonna flip the burgers one last time. Make sure they're done all around. While those burgers cook, we're gonna butter up some hamburger buns. I always like to do this because I always grill my burger buns. I think it adds a whole new taste and a new feel to the burger. Those burgers you saw were done, so I'm going to leave them over on the table for now. I'm only going to run my middle burner. We're going to throw those buns that we just buttered down. Now that those are down, I'll come back for you guys in just a second. Alright, the buns have been toasting for a couple of minutes. Let's see how they're doing. Oh yeah, they're nice and crispy. I'm going to take these off and we'll get to assembling the burgers. It's a nice day out, so we're going to do everything out here. Alright, I forgot when I was grilling these burgers to put the cheese on top. I'm just going to have to deal with it. I got leaves of lettuce here. I'm just going to rip them up and layer this on top of my burger. We'll go halves on the grilled onion that we lost. It'll be half raw, half grilled. Now, when you guys are making your burgers, throw whatever you like on it. And now, the burger's done. If you guys like this video and want to learn more from me, feel free to check out my channel and subscribe. Feel free to like this video and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.